Good morning, student. I am Devin Chaturvedi, your math teacher. Again, I am coming in front of you with the topic of division of decimal number. In the previous video, I have discussed about the rules of multiplication of decimal number, product of a decimal number with a whole number, and product of a decimal number with 10, 100 or 1000. So now in this video, I will introduce the process of division of decimal number with whole number as well as 10, 100 and 1000. So let us start with an example. Twenty-nine point four is divided by 7. What will be the question? This is a simple method. 7 is divisor and 29.4 is dividend. Now read the table of 7 into no. Then 29, 7 4 ja 28. 28 the previous number of 29, which is the multiplication of 7. Now subtract 28 from 29, you will get 1. Now here is the decimal. Before copying the number, you must check the decimal. So whenever you copy 4, put decimal number in quotient. Here, this decimal number shift in front of quotient. Now copy 4. 7 2 ja 40. Result remainder is 0 and final answer is 4.2. I hope you will understand the division method of decimal number. We should take another example. Eighty-one point 1009 is divided by 9. What is the question? So the process will remain like our question. 81.1009. So look here. 9 9 ja 81. Cancel. There is nothing left. Now before copying 1, you check decimal. Put decimal after 9 and now copy 1. Whenever you copy and check the number is smaller than divisor, put 0 here. 9 0 ja 0, then minus again, this is 0. 9 1 ja 9. Now 1 is remainder. Now copy 0 again. 9 1 ja 9. 1. Now copy 9. 9 2 ja 18. Remainder is 1. So this will help you the process of division of decimal number. So there is answer is 9.0112. 9.0112 and so on. Approx you note down because this decimal process will never end, because 1 is never end with in table of 9. We should take another example. Now another example. In the previous example, that is the endless process of division number. So you can note down approx. Now a decimal number is divided by another decimal number. 0.0026 is divided by 0.0013. Look at the process. Whenever two decimal number be seen, you can note down in fraction form. Now skip decimal and multiply on top 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10,000, and skip decimal from numerator, then multiply in denominator with 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 40. Then result is, now skip 0 to 0, 0 to 0, 0 to 0, 0 to 0. Now 26 1 ja 26 and 13 1 ja 30. This is the simplest form of these two decimal number. Now 13 1 ja 13 and 13 2 ja 26. If in denominator there is 1, you can note down only numerator. Then 2 will the correct solution of these decimal numbers. This is the process of two decimal numbers in division. We should take another example. If 3.9 is divided by 0.03, what happened? Then 3.9 is divided by 0.03. Now skip decimal in denominator, multiply with 1 in numerator and put 2 0, 1 2, because there is 2-digit decimal number, and skip decimal from numerator, multiply with 1 in denominator and put 1 0. Now skip 1 0 to 1 0, then the number is 39 10 ja 390 and 3 1 ja 3. Now cut 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9 and 3 0 ja 0. 390 is divided by 3. 3 1 ja 3, copy 9, 3 3 ja 9, copy 0, 3 0 ja 0. 130 will the answer of these two decimal. So student, I hope you will understand these processes of decimal number in division form. If you feel difficulty in solution of division and multiplication, we will discuss in our live class. Thank you.